Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson is calling for justices of the peace to be more vigilant in their communities. He says their vigilance will allow them to intervene in instances of interpersonal conflicts before they escalate into serious crimes. Shamela Pullen has that story.
According to Major General Anthony Anderson, at least 17% of the murders committed in the island are due to interpersonal issues. He was speaking at the quarterly meeting for Justices of the Peace in St. Andrew on Saturday.
Domestic and over the fence, over $100, over a set of bottles, over a pair of shoes, that sort of thing. Over quarrels, over a goat, going on somebody else's land and eating something. This is real. These are things that are causing murders and shooting.
He says oftentimes conflicts are unknown to the police. In several instances, by the time the police responds, it's too late. It's why he wants justices of the peace to step in.
As a group, once we keep an eye on those things, sometimes if they can be brought to our attention early, we can do an interruption and get involved in the process. So it's really important that we monitor and look at those things as well. As you know, we have the violence interruption centers, the domestic violence centers, very important that those domestic violence centers that are at our police stations are used and people refer to them.
The commissioner added that it is important that the domestic violence centers at police stations are put to use. He says so far these centers have proven to be effective.
I know I visited the one in Hayes in Clarendon recently. They had 330 or so active cases dealing with, any one of which can escalate into serious crime and violence. So again, that's another police response to a problem, and it's not necessarily a police problem, but it can become a police problem, and so we have to jump ahead of it. If nobody else is doing it, then the JCF does it.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.